decided to give it to Salesforce. The German-based MNC announced it will exit the mainstream CRM market. Not long ago, former SAP CEO Bill McDermott claimed his company would take everyone in the CRM world by storm. A whopping amount of $8 billion was spent on the subscription software platform Qualtrics to take on the likes of Salesforce and Google Cloud.
On the contrary, Salesforce has been on a winning spear. It acquired MuleSoft and then Tableau, and both have massively contributed to its success in recent times.
Salesforce also delivered higher than expected financial results during this second quarter, to everyone's amazement. It is now speculated by some that Salesforce could go on to become the first $1 trillion service-based company. Salesforce has been a consistent player in the CRM ecosystem, beating all odds and have effortlessly taken over the mice of Microsoft, SAP, and Oracle. With this decision to quit the CRM market, SAP has, however, assured its investors that it will now focus only on the successful segments. If you ask me, it is a wise decision, though taken too late. Do like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so we can always stay connected. And do not miss out anything interesting from us at Cloud Analogy.